Hello everybody, welcome again to our lesson working with text. Now we will talk about text. Here, continue speaking about text. As we see now, we have added a heading. If we would like to add a heading, added subheading, added a little bit of body. For example, added a heading, added a subheading, added a little bit of a body text. Okay, we can write here whatever we would like to do. uh, Vini as an example. This is my channel. You can write in subheading working with text. Example, here we can make whatever. This is the body, a little bit of the body. Hello everyone, this tutorial is about text. In general, hidden sub hidden body fans fans etc. Okay, we can move the on the top or in the middle. We can change the color, change the size, change for example the color. This is the color. We can change part of the we can change the word color. This is for example, and this one is another color, and this one in another color, and also this one is another color. We can make it italic. It is possible here in this title, italic or bold. I think it's not possible. In alignment, this is list, and this is to make it bigger, little letter spacing. Look at the spacing, to become more space between letter. Here it is line spacing. Look at the line spacing, how it's become. You can make whatever you'd like to do. This is up the. You can maximize, put it in whatever you would like. Here, there, change the. You can change the style as well. I think so. For example, I should scroll down and choose, for example, this one. You can choose from here. Here you can choose open some extra bold. Look at how it will be appear. Giros is an example. Those one is pro brand, like this one, because I have a pro I can use it. Look at the font how it will be appear. This one as well is a pro, how it will be appear. Look at it. It is a very beautiful fence. We call it Adil Eye. Adil Eye. You can choose the font that you desire to be in your design, in your text, in your book, in your ebook. It depends on your project. Okay, you can choose, and this is the body. You can make it bigger. I don't know what you can make it bigger. You can remove it. So any place you would like to do. I want to show you something here. Some this is, for example, you can change it to uh, bigger here. You can choose uppercase. Look at it. It will be just uppercase here or lowercase. And make it bold, italic. You can change the alignments on to the left or the right or in the middle. Here we can say that we can make bullet points, for example this one. If we would like this one and all this one, can make bullet points, numbers, and return back. Here we can make, for example, if you click to tab, it will be another one. Here if you click tab, choose to change the place. This is what I would like to. You can lock all, duplicate, lock, make a link, transparency to become transparency of your text. For example, if you like it in a small one, but with this transparent, the for for papers of the ebook, you can make it in the top, and on the bottom you can make it transparent. You can here copy style, this style you like, this style, and you copy it and you put it here. Look at it. It is a very beautiful way. Position of the text. You can make it at the top, left, center, middle, etc. Bottom, etc. You can animate it up the uppercase locals, and you can underline it as well. Uh, I hope you the best, my friend, and I think that's all in the text. And I hope you can make your design, your ebook, your papers easily in Canva. And see you later. If you like my video, could you share this, subscribe, and uh, like my videos. See you later.